Hey guys, so I'm gonna take a video of myself for a day wherein it's gonna be a busy day, but I don't know if I can sleep now. It's already like 1:30 a.m. First, I'm gonna take a swim there because it's really hot. So I'm gonna change first. I'm gonna tour you around. Pero madilim pa kasi, so I'm gonna show it later. Galing ako sa room and ito ako sa labas kasi aantokin ako doon. So I'm gonna do my stuff here. Actually, yung tapos ko na yung lesson. And I have like 4 lessons to go. Pero later, I have an examination at exactly like I'm not really sure. Pero yung class number dun kasi is 10:30, so I don't know if 10:30 din kami magte-take ng exam. I have already eaten my breakfast and now I don't know what to do. I'm gonna show you the place. we have nothing to do. So, before ako mag-start ng class, kakanta muna ako, guys. So, I'm just gonna leave you here. Hindi na nakapag-take ng video, pero I'm done with the exams. And now, gagawa na ako ng library research. Chart.